Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you how you can actually get an official artist channel using Tunecore. And I'm also going to give some advice whether you should continue using Tunecore or not, depending on getting an official artist channel. The first procedure that you are going to do is that you are going to email YouTube, and I guess that was before. Actually, YouTube was accepting that request for some time now, but they have changed that policy now. So if you send an email to YouTube support team that you need an official artist channel, this is what you are going to get. This email: hi there, thanks for contacting creator support. We're currently only supporting channels that are part of the YouTube partner program. So if you are in the YPP program, they can easily verify your channel to give you that music note check mark. So if you are below 1,000 subscribers and you haven't met your 4,000 hours of watch time, so it will be hard for YouTube to actually give you an official artist channel. Okay, so the second method that I will advise you guys to do is that you have to send a email to Tunecore artist support. So that is what I actually did. I will leave a link in the description for you to actually send an email to Tunecore YouTube official artist channel team. That is the email that you can use to contact Tunecore artist support team, so that they can actually look into your request about getting an official artist channel. Then they will actually give you an official artist channel. But if you have tried those procedures and it didn't work, what you will do is that you have to switch this from Tunecore to DistroKid. I know that many artists have done this procedure because they were not comfortable with it in the first place, but it is very good. You should switch distributor. So what you will do is that you will log in into a DistroKid. Once you log in into a DistroKid and you sign up for DistroKid, you will select a plan that you need. They give $19.99 as a charge fee for every newly registered artist. So that means you pay $19.99 per year, not per month. And once you pay that $19.99, that means you have unlimited uploads of song to any store in the world. So that is what it has there. And inside Tunecore, inside DistroKid, it is even easier for you to request an official artist channel directly from your DistroKid dashboard. But before that, let me show you how you can actually switch and to DistroKid. And it said in the article here that I'm switching from a different distribution company to DistroKid. What is the process? Well, you won't be disappointed. It is easy to switch to DistroKid. Here is how: upload your release to DistroKid one. Then the next thing is that the next day go to your old distributor and remove those releases. So what you do now is that once you are inside DistroKid, once you have paid and registered for DistroKid, re-upload that music that you have uploaded before, and make sure to use the same UPC number that your old distributor gave you for your music. Use the old UPC and ISRC code number, and it should be the same song title or the same album title. So make sure those things should be the same when you are uploading to DistroKid. So once you have done all the necessary steps in moving your music to DistroKid, once it has been published, go back to your old distributor, then go back to Tunecore and delete all music that was uploaded using Tunecore, so that it won't be a duplicate in music stores. So once you have done those steps, eventually you will get a topic channel for your music in DistroKid. And once you have gotten a topic channel and you have released up to 3 musics through DistroKid, then the next step is that you can actually go to the goodies tab inside DistroKid. Once you are inside the goodies tab, tap on YouTube official artist channel. Then you will see a tab where you will link your YouTube channel. If you have an existing YouTube channel for your music, you can actually use that, and if you don't, you can actually create a YouTube channel for your music. So once you have done that, you can actually, then the next step is that once you link that YouTube channel with DistroKid, then in a few days you will get an official artist channel. So that is basically the easiest way for you to get an official artist channel. So what I recommend is that you should switch to DistroKid if that method, the second method, didn't actually work from Tunecore. So basically guys, that is how you will do it. So I hope this video was very informative and very helpful. Okay, see you in the next video, and please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell.